What's up guys, Learning with Rich here. In this video, we are going to create a clash report. So this time around, we are going to use the other options here or other report format, XML, HTML, tabular, as text. Okay, so let's try out this report format. Okay, so we already know how to use the rules tab, select results, and then the report. So actually last video, we have learned how to create a clash report as viewpoints. Okay, so this time, we are gonna create an XML file. Okay, so current test XML. So let's see how this one looks like. And then for the contents, you can explore yourself. You can select here the contents that you want to be included to your report. And then you can also select here the statuses that you would like. So if you only want to select the new clashes, so you can just uncheck the other options and then just select new. Okay, so after setting up your report settings, so you can now select here write report. So let's have a look how it looks like. All right, and then we just need to save this one in so let's say documents. I'll just create a new folder here. I'll call it clash report. Okay, so class report, double click. Okay, so that's our report. So let's just save that one. And there you go. So it's now saved. So let's create another report here. Let's try out HTML. So let's open up that one. Select. Again, same settings. Let me use HTML this time and then write report. Click that one. And then I'll just save it here as well. All right, and then let's try tabular HTML, write report. Let's save this. Oops, okay, so let me just underscore put here tabular. Okay, and then last one as text. So as text, write report, then save. There you go. Okay, then after that, so let us now open up the report. So it's here on our documents. Okay, inside the clash report. Okay, so as you can see here, right, after you create your report, so Navisworks will automatically save some images of your clashes separate folder. So it will create a separate folder of your images. Okay, so this is for your XML and then HTML. Okay, so if I'm gonna open first this one, the HTML, so let's double click this one. So this is very useful, especially if your client doesn't have a Navisworks or your other team member or other company that is part of your project. So let's say they don't have, for some reason, they don't have the Navisworks. So at least you can just send this report to them. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So one important thing here is the element ID so that they will be able to select the element that is involved in the clash and then solve the clash. Okay, so this is how the HTML looks like. Okay, and then the settings here, the content, it depends on the settings that you will be selecting from here, from the contents. And then as you can see, these are all new, so that's why I can see only here new clashes. Okay, so new clashes. So this is how the HTML looks like. Okay, so how about the other options here that we have, other report? So we also have the text document, so you can double click that. So this is how it looks like. Okay, so this is how our text report, text clash reports looks like. Okay, right. Again, one important thing that you always need to include during creating the report is the element ID so that you will be able to see it easily in Revit. So you can just simply search the ID to solve the clash. So this is how the text looks like. All right, so let's check out the other option here, XML document. So let's double click that one. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I don't use this one. Okay, and then the other one is tabular, HTML tabular. Just double click that. And let me just show you my screen here. Oops. Okay. There you go. So this one is in tabular form. So most of the time, this is the type of clash that we are using. So HTML in tabular form. So be able to see the images and then the contents that you have selected on your clash report. Okay, so there you have it. So these are the different types of report format when you create a clash report in Navisworks Manage 2022. Okay, so hopefully you learned something from this video. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, you can put it on the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.